If you're planning your engagement session, but not quite sure how much time you'll need, this video is definitely for you. I'm Valeria, and I help couples figure out what they actually need for their weddings and engagement shoot. I want to walk you through how long engagement sessions usually take, what types of sessions you can do, and how to choose the one that is right for you. In most cases, engagement sessions last between 1 and 2 hours. If you are planning one location and one outfit, 1 hour is more than enough to get something really beautiful. If you want to change outfits, visit 2 locations that are nearby, 2 hours would be a great choice. And sometimes our couples go even further. They want to shoot in 3 different places with multiple looks and travel in between. These sessions can be shot, but they require a separate planning, sometimes even a full production day. Now let's talk about what kind of content you can actually create during your session. If you're going for a photo shoot, you have 2 great options. First, just a beautiful set of images in a location that feels special to you. Second, you can turn it into the Save the Date series to send out later as your wedding invites. Guests would love that personal touch. If you're going for a video shoot, you've got 3 awesome directions to choose from. First, a cinematic video with a beautiful location with emotional, natural moments and atmosphere. Second, a love story. You get to share how you met, what brought you together, and simply open your hearts on camera. And third, a Save the Date video, something short, fun, emotional that you can just send as a link to your guests. Such a memorable and modern way to invite your loved ones. Now here's a wonderful part of this video. When you book a wedding package with us, we gift you a 1-hour engagement session. In that 1 hour, we can do photos or video. Usually it's 1 location or maybe 2 if they are close to each other. It is a great chance to connect with your specialist and get comfortable in front of the camera, understand what you like and what you would like to have for such a special day. I'll also send you our engagement preparation guide so you feel fully ready, because every detail matters.